Is it all upstairs? What is it? My opinion.
Yeah, and I totally agree. All those things there, like, can you tell if it's a true dormer? In my opinion, no, not at all. A true dormer would be as if it has access to that interior second floor, or if it's just like a facade, just a placeholder on top of that roof line. And all that does is really if I'm going to throw a ladder to it or not. And you can't really tell, you don't know. So getting those ladders thrown, okay, maybe an exterior or outside vent guy, truck driver. But I mean, I would think that your first priority would be clearing that second floor, opening it up, allowing that lineman to get water on that fire. Am I concerned about vertical vent on this? Not really. It's already coming through that roof. My hole's not going to do anything different than what we already got going on here. Is
Well, it's
it
supposed to be
important
double
to figure
shoulder
out
load.
how it all started on the exterior? Yes. But to me, clearing that primary search on that second floor is really just the number one objective on this. We can deal with that exterior